Hey guys, welcome back after a long time. In this video, we are gonna tell you about romantic nail shades. Romantic nail shades are a captivating and expressing way to infuse love and sophistication into your fingertips. Whether you are into timeless reds or prefer soft pastel hues, romantic nail shades offer a diverse palette for self-expression and creativity. Before diving into specific colors, it's crucial to gather the essential tools needed to create captivating and romantic nail designs. You will need a variety of nail polish colors, including reds, pinks, and soft neutrals, along with fine nail art brushes, dotting tools, base coat, top coat, nail polish remover, and cotton swabs. With these tools in hand, you will be well prepared to embark on your journey for creating romantically elegant nail art. Now, let's explore classic and modern romantic nail shapes that you can experiment with. Passionate reds. Red, the color of passion and love. It's a timeless choice for romantic nail art, whether it's a classic red polish or a deeper burgundy. Red nail exude confidence and sophistication, making them a perfect choice for romantic occasions. Blushing pinks. Soft and delicate blush pink nails bring a touch of innocence and charm. This color is versatile, ranging from subtle pastels to more vibrant pinks, allowing you to choose the shades that best complement your style and mood. Classic nude shades create an elegant backdrop. These neutral tones are perfect for those who prefer a subtle yet romantic touch of their nails. Rose gold glam. Embrace modern elegance with the allure of rose gold. These sophisticated metallic hue adds a touch of glamour to your nails, making them stand out in any romantic setting. Subdued mauves. Mauve tones offer a contemporary twist on classic romantic colors. These muted purples and pinks exude sophistication and pair well with a variety of colors and styles. Romantic shades seamlessly from one to another. This modern technique adds a touch of artistry to your nails, creating a romantic and eye-catching effect. Start by applying a base coat to protect your nails and ensure a smooth surface for your nail shade. Select a color palette based on the romantic look you wish to achieve. Reds, pinks, and neutrals can be combined for a sophisticated and romantic design. Prepare your fine brushes, dotting tools, and stencils you plan to use. Having everything ready will streamline the creative process. Follow step by step instructions for the chosen romantic color designs, experimenting with shades and patterns. Take your time to ensure precision and capture the essence of romance. Seal your romantic masterpiece with a top coat for a glossy finish and added durability. This step not only enhances the overall look but also ensures the longevity of your romantic nail shades. Achieving long lasting romantic nails requires attention to detail and proper care. Ensure your nails are clean and trimmed before starting the design. This provides a clean canvas for your romantic creation. Apply thin layers of nail polish to prevent chipping. Multiple thin layers allow for better adhesion and a smoother finish. Brush the top coat along the edges of your nails to prevent premature peeling. This extra step adds a protective barrier and contributes to the longevity of your romantic nail shades. Romantic nail shades offer a captivating and elegant way to express love and sophistication. through your fingertips. Whether you prefer classic reds, soft pinks, or modern metallics, romantic nail shades provide a versatile palette for creating charming and memorable nail art. So, gather your tools, choose your colors, and let your nails radiate romance and elegance, creating a stunning masterpiece that reflects your unique style and captures the essence of love. Thanks for watching.